What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video. As you guys can see, I bought some new wheels.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink.
To refurbish these, we need to take the tire off. But as you guys can see, we don't have a tire machine or a balancing machine. So me and my dad are now going to go and pick one up. So as you guys can see, we have the tire changing machine in place and we have the balancing machine. And as you guys can see, I already have the wheels on here, but I'm just going to take that off and wash them before I do anything else. Right guys, so the tires are now cleaned and I will be moving on to this tire changing machine and take the tires out. So it will be easier to refurbish them while I get to sanding and that sort of stuff. So let's take the wheels and put them on the tire changing machine. So, as you guys can see, the tires are now at the wall and I got the rims separated from the tires. So, because it's getting pretty late today, I might just end it right here and begin with the respraying and prepping it for a respray tomorrow in the morning. So see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Right guys, so it's the next day and we are going to start with sanding this metal piece down. But first we have to protect the black part right here. So I'm going to just mask that off and start with sanding this metal.
say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Alright guys, so the wheels are now in the shop. We'll water sand them, and I'ma just start with masking the black part out because I'ma respray the metal part silver again. So yeah, let's start with masking out the black part.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke.
So yeah guys, I don't have any clear coat, so I need to go and buy some. But because this video is getting pretty long, I have to make a part 2. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.
Take you like a